Family is a group of one and more parents and their children living together in one unit. Types of family on the basis of the marriage. Talk about polygamous, it is a practice of marrying a multiple spouse. Okay, there are three forms in polygamy, that is polygyny, polyandry, and group marriage. In polygyny, um, when a man is married to more than one wife. Polyandry, when a woman is married to more than one husband. And group marriage, it is bit free for all, with the family unit consisting of mismatch of spouses from the boxes. When we talk about monogamous family, monogamy, it is a practice of marrying one spouse at one particular time. Polyandrous, it is a condition of having more than one husband at the time. Types of family on the basis of residence. Matrilocal is when a married couple decides to stay in a wife's household, whereas the patrilocal is when the married couple decides to stay at the groom's household. Local is when the married couple decides to stay, for example, in groom's household or else in the bride's household. Sometimes they shift. Then we have neolocal, that is the married couple decides to stay in the separate household. Types of family on the basis of ancestry.
Matrilineal ancestry, using the very slow mutation rate of mtDNA, we might arrive at a single female common ancestor, a mother whom we can all relate to from our mother's side. This is exactly what Cann, Stoneking, and Wilson did in 1987, and found out that, in fact, all humans alive today do have a common female ancestor who probably lived about 200,000 years ago in Africa. They named her Mitochondrial Eve.
Patrilineal descent means those who share the relationship through their father's side is called patrilineal. Bilateral descent, in which the relatives of the mother's side and the father's side are equally important for the exchanging the emotional ties. Types of family on the basis of size and structure. Okay, nuclear family, it is consisting of a married couple and their unmarried children. Joint family is the extended family, meaning the consisting of the father, mother, parents, uncle, aunts living in the same household. Let's talk about types of family on the basis of nature. Conjugal means there is a marriage relationship. A relationship by descent from the common ancestors. It is also called as consanguineal. Now let's talk about types of marriages. Polygyny is when one man is married to several women. In polygyny, there are two types, that is sororal and non-sororal. Let's talk about sororal polygyny. Husband gets married to a wife's sister after her death. Non-sororal means that the co-wives are not sisters. There are two types of polyandry. Fraternal polyandry is a variety of polyandry where two or more males are siblings. In non-fraternal fraternal polyandry, the husbands are not brothers. Let's talk about monogamy. There are two types, that is serial monogamy and straight monogamy. In straight monogamy, the remarriage is not allowed. Serial monogamy, in many societies, the individuals are permitted to marry after the death of his or her wife, or divorce, he can marry. So it is called a serial monogamy. Group marriage means marriages of two women and two husbands are common. So here the husbands are common and the wives are common, and the children is regarded as whole.